How to change language in ElevenLabs account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. We are trying to change our display language in today's video for ElevenLabs account. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. Open a new web browser and type in ElevenLabs.io and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official homepage of ElevenLabs, from where you can go to the login button at the top right corner and then log into your account. Login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials to sign into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of ElevenLabs, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top right corner from the homepage. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for the Application Language option. Click the drop-down right next to Application Language and choose a different language of your preference. Once you do that, you'll be able to change the display language setting for ElevenLabs account. You can change to a different language of your preference by repeating this step. So there you have it. That's how super easy it is to change your language to your preference on ElevenLabs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.